Stitch we're going to do here is a running stitch, and this one is a really basic stitch and one of the easiest to learn. So we're just going to go put your needle through one side. If you had tied a knot in this end, you would pull it all the way to the end of your knot, and then we're just going to go back through the other side. Just want to try and keep these lines smooth and even. We're just doing an in and out. It just kind of gives you a dashed line. You can even go in and out without pulling your needle all the way through. So you just put your needle in a little bit, and then we're going to bend the fabric around. And this can also help you have some smoothest stitches as you practice. So you can pull it through. There we've got our dashed line. And when you're done, you just pull it through, pull it all the way out. So that was our running stitch. Thank you so much for going through these tutorials with me. If you are interested in some beginner felt sewing crafts, be sure to check out my channel or my blog. My blog is slyspoon.com, and I have a whole bunch of these patterns. I just click and print. They've got the video walkthrough and a picture of the end kind of thing that you're making. And they're just fun, quick, easy, great for beginners, and just like a quick and easy, and I think very fun craft.